Hello, welcome back to all you doers, movers, and shakers. Today I'm sharing with you another resource for nonprofits and community-based organizations. You actually, I believe, have to be a nonprofit. This is a quick resource that I would love to share with you. And many, you may know about this already, and if you don't, come along and join me. This website is called TechSoup, TechSoup.org. So let me share my screen and then we will go to visit TechSoup. Share. Okay, I hope this doesn't cut off, guys. Okay, perfect. www.tchsoup.org. TechSoup. It is a hub, nonprofit tech marketplace, but it's a hub for anything that you need in terms of software or hardware or things for your server. I don't know if that's a different name or what, but it's so cool. We have been using this TechSoup. We've been members. Excuse me. It's free to sign up. You simply would click join, and then you would send in your credentials. If you're a 501c3, you would send in your IRS determination letter, establish what you need to establish and create your account. And it's as simple as that. Once you have an account, let's see, I'm hoping that this is already set for us. Yes. Don't you just love automatic passwords, because no one has time to be remembering all these passwords. Perfect. So once you're in, you can search for software. I mean, you can search for some good stuff. Zoom alone, which I'm using right now, for nonprofit organizations through TechSoup, you get 50% off. So I believe we paid $57 for an annual membership for the Pro Zoom license. That's one example, and that's a recent example. But years ago, I want to say 2008 and 9. So this is about 2 decades ago. That's how long they've been around, because they were around long before that. But I always find these groups, which is great. We found the group, they're no longer in existence, who actually did our website for free. I mean, they did everything. It was so cool. They had a professional designer actually do the website. We worked together, telling them what we wanted, and did a couple of back and forths with reviews and critiques and suggestions, and in meetings. It was really good. And we actually hosted 3 computer labs in our community. All 3 were housed inside of faith-based organizations. And we were able to receive Microsoft licenses through TechSoup. So instead of going into, a Staples or Office Max or wherever, or Microsoft directly, paying hundreds of dollars for one license, we're able to pay and receive licenses for like $15 per license. And how great is that? Simply because you're a nonprofit and you're doing the good work, fighting the good fight, and you get those types of benefits. So that's what TechSoup is for. But there's also applications here, or courses now, where they will also provide free certificate. Well, it's not free, but it's grossly discounted certification. So sometimes you'll see an administrative fee. That's what the cost is referred to as. And other times the fee will be $0. So if you need McAfee or other software to prevent any malicious content from being downloaded on your computer, you can get that here as well. I'm trying to move the screen, so you all may have to maneuver this on your own. Because I can't get to the, here we are, product catalog. Let's go here. Oh, it's taking me a minute. Let's see. Browse catalog, perhaps because I was already on that screen. Okay, here we are. And look, Microsoft Office, the suite is here. You can click, let's see how much they are. They also sell, I mentioned, the hardware. So, you'll have laptops, they're refurbished. Sometimes they're new, but you can tell them what you want. They have iPads as well. Microsoft, I know the only caveat with Microsoft is you can only order one time per year with Microsoft. which is fine. So, you know, you have to like get it all in at once, know what you need. See eligibility and restrictions. And that primarily was just the once a year and to affirm that it's being used for nonprofit purposes, you know, to advance your mission. Categories. Let's see. We also got our received our QuickBooks from here. But let's look at the categories. Accounting, antiviral software, that's the McAfee's, business and technology planning, cloud computing, databases, donor and grants management, which is really cool, fundraising software, HR software. They have IT support and services. They have operating systems, servers, and networks. We also bought the server from here as well for one of the labs. Training and education, web and graphic design, website management. So let's see what's in training and education. So if you want to purchase, I have Video Scribe, and you'll see here, there was a $0. It's like I can't see this, why? Okay, whoa, alrighty. So the admin fee is $0 for the Video Scribe. But then you have this SAP or SAP Litmus. I'm not familiar with this, but if anyone is, whenever you're looking for a learning management system or an LMS, here is one, and the admin fee is $50. So let's see what else there is, because they do have brand names. So QuickBooks, we actually purchased from here as well. So this is training for QuickBooks here, if you wanted to do that. And then there are other online courses, but let's see what QuickBooks software would cost. So that would be in accounting. Let's see. Okay, but look, we have ADP. Oh, here we are, QuickBooks. So QuickBooks made easy for nonprofits, the essentials, discounted. This is still training. We want the QuickBooks itself. QuickBooks Online plus 1 year subscription. Here it is, $75. But that's cool. Payment and donation processing, if we needed that, you have that here as well. What's ADP? Payroll for nonprofits, which is cool. That may be something to look into, because we used to actually contract with ADP, but you get the point. You see what I'm saying? You can use this for so many things, and all of the popular software is here. Let's take a look at hardware just to show you that, and then we're going to wrap it up. Let's take a look at what laptops they have. What's this? HP Elite 1. I don't know what the regular cost of that is, but this admin fee looks like it's $1,289. Of course, there are no taxes because you're nonprofits and you've already proven that. So they don't need to see any type of sales exemption certificates. The Microsoft Surface Book 3, $1,500. $1,000 for the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, $1,040. Maybe because they're new. I'm not accustomed to these types of prices. I'm accustomed to the prices here being like $200, $100, because they were pre-owned. Okay, so here's some pre-owned, but even they're about Microsoft Surface Go, that's $300, $210 for what? For dock. This laptop is a little over $300. And then you see headsets and peripherals, the mouse, $50. Yeah, so you'll have to just look and see, you know, because it looks like it's hit or miss. I'm not accustomed to seeing such what I believe are large numbers, but I also haven't managed a computer lab in a long time. So I'm not sure what the going rate is. So you'll have to take a look at that for yourself. But thank you for joining. This is a great resource. Please share your experiences with us. Comment below if you're looking for any other resources or you'd like to learn about any other subjects related to working in the community. Until next time, keep doing, keep moving, and keep shaking things up in your communities. Peace.
Working in community, no place I'd rather be. Working in community, lifting, loving, setting free. Don't know where